Namaste everyone. We, the students of late Kedari Redekar Ayurved College Gadhinglas, presenting you the idea of Ashwamedh, that is effect of Ashwagandha on reducing muscle atrophy and osteoporosis under ISRO's Agnev Space Premier League. First, let's see the basic information. What is ISS? The International Space Station is a large habitable artificial satellite orbiting Earth. It serves as a space laboratory and research facility, a unique platform for scientific research in microgravity and the space environment. The experiment we choose, let's see the origin. Proposed by a space medicine research team aiming to test ashwagandha as an additional countermeasure for muscle and bone degeneration in astronauts. The goals of the experiment are to evaluate whether supplementation during long duration missions prevents or mitigates microgravity induced musculoskeletal decline. The question is why we choose muscle atrophy. Muscle atrophy in astronauts refers to loss of muscle mass and strength that occurs when astronauts spend extended periods in microgravity environments, such as aboard the ISS. It is one of the key physiological challenges of long duration space travel. What is being studied? Muscle mass and strength, bone density or biochemical markers of bone turnover, inflammatory and oxidative stress biomarkers, hormonal and mitochondrial function indicators, mitochondrial support and energy metabolism. In aged rats, Vidania, that is ashwagandha extract, improved grip strength, muscle mass, and reduced inflammation and oxidative stress and myogenesis mechanism. Why it matters in space? Microgravity effects. First is muscle atrophy, significant loss of lower body muscle mass and strength, bone loss, up to 1 to 2% of bone mass density loss per month, increasing osteoporosis risk. Current countermeasures are AID technique, that is Advanced Resistive Exercise Device. Why ashwagandha could help? It may amplify anabolic pathways, reduce inflammation, support recovery and mitochondrial health, offering complementary benefits to physical countermeasures. Another question is how NASA and other agencies counteract muscle atrophy. First is by using ARED technique, that is Advanced Resistive Exercise Device, cycling and treadmill running. So this experiment can be very beneficial for us. Our commentary. Today is the age of innovation, and nowadays traveling in a space became more easier as we think of earlier. It will be very soon that common people too will be exploring space and ISS. But they will face with severe health problems in space. As an Ayurvedic student, it is the most ancient and medical science, and of the Ayurvedic formulation, it can help in space treatment. So one of the ancient medicine in the form of ashwagandha is demonstrated by us. As like many future problems can solve by the Ayurvedic medicine, we think of solving health problem in space with Ayurvedic medicine. Ideas for future use. As like ashwagandha churn, other formulations also can be used in different health issues such as abrakbhas, that is as an antioxidant, trikatu, an Ayurveda herbal formulation for digestive issues. Who might use these on earth? In healthcare, it is used as an Ayurvedic medicine in various healthcare problems. Therapeutic uses of the ashwagandha are sleep quality increases, immune system support, cardiovascular health, reproductive health. What we would ask the scientists: can ashwagandha's adaptogenic properties help to mitigate the effects of chronic stress on the body? What is the role of ashwagandha's bioactive compounds such as vithanolides in its potential health benefits? Are there any ongoing clinical trials investigating ashwagandha's effects on specific health conditions such as anxiety or cognitive decline? References and acknowledgements. The books that are referred are Bhagavad Samhita and Saligrama Publishers. The websites that are used are www.sciencedirect.com, researchgate.net, and pubmed.ncbi.nim.nih.gov. We thank to organizers of the league and you all for giving us your time and attention. Grateful for giving us the opportunity to represent this topic in front of all of you. Thank you.